So now when we're coming to steeped teas, we're going to come to one of my favorites. It's called Canarino, which is an Italian tea that's literally just made with the zest of lemon. Lemon zest has a lot of oils in it, which are really beneficial. And the taste is really quite different from just putting a slice of lemon into hot water. It's much more mellow. In fact, when I was going through chemo, I couldn't take just lemon slices in water at all. It tasted really foreign. But Canarino was perfect for me. Now, it's so simple. I mean, it's stupid. All it is just little bits of lemon peel. Just the zest. You don't want the white pith at the bottom because it's actually very bitter. You can see how kind of juicy and oily this is. Just put one bit more for good measure. Okay. Now, then all you've got to do is put on top of that hot water. Here. See how it's turning yellow instantly? Now, just leave it for a couple of minutes. A lot of teas you have to steep for like 5 minutes, but not this one. The oils in the zest are so alive that they go straight into the hot water. Just leave it, and you can smell it. It just smells delicious. Again, I drink all of these things without sugar. But if you want to put a bit of sweetener in, I would say put agave, because if you put honey in this, it's going to make it to something very different. But it's all to taste. But this is how I just love it. Oh gosh, it's so good. So simple, so delicious, so good. Come and check out our YouTube channel.